Okay, girls, so in these videos we're going to be using our CAS calculator to do everything that we have been doing in our unit on algebra. So first, we're going to revise how to do substitution. We have done this before, so I just want to show you. This is one of the documents that I have posted in Google Classroom, okay? The chapter 3, it says topic 3 algebra, and it says in work example 3, this is work example 3, and it says if x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -2, evaluate the following expressions. So we are going to do it in our CAS. So this is what I want you to do. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing in our calculator. So let's go to our CAS calculator. Here I am. Okay, and I'm going to press the first example, which is 3x. So notice that when I'm writing 3x, I'm going to be writing 3 times x. Oh, why are you not writing? Oh, add calculator. Okay, there we go. Now 3 times x plus 2 times y. Okay, and then remember that we use this symbol when we say control and we go given, this is what it's saying, that x is equal to, what is it? 3 and y is equal to -2. Negative down here, thank you, -2. Enter, and I get my answer. So this is how we use our CAS to do substitution. So you see that I didn't have to rearrange the equation. I didn't have to do anything. I just had to put my equation and then substitute the and say given that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -2, and it already gives me the answer. The only thing to be careful here is notice that you have to use the multiplication sign, okay? Be very explicit when you have this. So we have more examples here. You can practice these ones. I'm not going to do all of these ones with the videos. I also want to go to the one that was given for me, elected for the teachers. So this one says substitute a equals 4 into the expression. So let's do this one as another example. Okay, you also have this document in Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm going to create this. So I'm going to go into CAS and say, okay, brackets 5 times a minus 3, and then times, notice that I'm also using the times there, brackets again, a plus 1, and then I go control equal given that a is going to be equal to 4, and I press enter. What did I have this? Because she had here a given that a was 2. If I go up and I select the same one and I just change the a for equal to, then I get that is equal to 21. There you go. So this is how you use your CAS for substitution. In the next video, or should we do another one? Maybe we should do another one in this video. Okay, let's try to do simplifying expressions. Okay, so we're going to continue with this one that we have here. So to simplify expressions, we only have to, it says here simplified, and we have this expression here, and we just have to type it in and then press enter. I want to use one for for simplifying one of the ones that I gave you feedback on. Let me just, where is it? Quadratic algebra CAS calculator, and it's not here. Of course it's not here. Oof. Okay, let's use this one first. And then in the next video, I'll insert one of the ones that I gave you feedback for. So we're going to type this expression. So it says 2 times x times y. So I'm going to do it. 2 times x times y times y. I can see that in what they type here, they didn't use the times in between the x and the y. I prefer to always put the times. Just remember that CAS doesn't assume that you're multiplying, so you have to tell it that the 2 is multiplying x and the x is multiplying the y. Like the whole thing is multiplication. Take away 3 times y. No, 3 times x squared. So x squared, where's my square here? Good. Take away 5 times x times y plus x. When I press enter, it didn't work. I'm just trying to see what happened here. She has here the last one is an x squared, but here it's only an x. So here they're not the same. Let me just press the one up here and put enter here and put this one as a square. There you go. If I put it as a square, I'm getting the same answer that she had here. Negative 2x squared, take away 3xy. So how we will write this answer? We will not write it like this in our test. How we will write it down? So I'm going to go into, so we will write it in that simplifying expression. We have done substitution, and in that simplifying expression that we're doing, so into that example A that we're doing, we're going to say that our answer is, according to what we have in CAS, we have that is negative 2x squared, take away 3xy. Wonderful. In the next video, I'm going to insert one of the ones that I gave you feedback for in your homework, so to solve it with the CAS.